Hello and welcome to Gaming Room. In this video, I'm going to be teaching you how you can change the language on the game Matchmaster. So let's go ahead and start the video now. Open the game Matchmasters on your device and sign into your account. You will be seeing this type of interface. Now, to change the language, first of all, click on the three lines on the top right hand corner of the screen. Now, you can find settings at the end. Go ahead and tap on settings. Then you can see language. To change the language, you can see the language option. If you click on the three dots right next to language, there are languages like Polish, Italian, French, Dutch, Spanish, Turkish, Portuguese and Russian. So these are the languages you want to click on. As soon as you click on it, the language will be changed. If you want to revert it back on the English language, just go ahead and click on the three lines on the top, click on settings, and this is the language settings. Go ahead and tap on it, click on the first one, which is English, and there you go. I hope this video was helpful for you. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more.